we will install this machine, okay? Firstly, we have to match the hole inside, and then here is a mark. We should match the marks. Here is the up one, and match the hole, and then push. And last step, we should tie this part. Finish. Okay, when you receive this machine, we have to insert this shelf on this part and then tie these screws, okay? Okay, this part we can adjust the shelf to the up and down, okay? And this position, we can adjust the shelf to the left and the right. Okay, and this part we can turn to any part of the position, okay? As you like. Okay, last step, we just put the working handle to this position and tie it. Okay, when you start this machine, we will enter into this screen. First step, we should press the human body. You can choose the body parts of the treatment, okay? You can choose them, and then, okay. Then you will enter into this screen. Here you can adjust the intensity and treatment time here. After setting that, just press start button. Okay, and here is the modes for option. Here is the simple modes, okay, and the manual modes. In this mode, you can adjust the frequency by yourself. Okay, the same operation, adjust the intensity and treatment time. After setting all, press start.